What are you doing, Jonathan?
Eating wasabi.
Are you serious? You're eating wasabi?
Yes.
Show America what you can do with the wasabi. Show YouTube. And it doesn't burn?
No.
Oh my gosh, take a big huge bite. I want YouTube to see how good you are eating wasabi. Oh my god.
Yeah,
It's a miracle.
Hey, let me try some.
No, you're not in this.
Wait.
You want to try some, Kian?
Oh my god, this tastes so bad.
It is. Jonathan, how do you do it? How do you do it?
It just tastes good to me.
It just tastes good to you? How do you do it? You're wasabi genius.
Oh my god.
What are you going to tell YouTube about your eating?
It just tastes really good to me.
It just tastes really good? How do you do it? Tell them your secret.
Nothing. It just tastes good for me.
It's good for you? It's good for your brain, so you just eat all of it like a maniac?
Yes.
Wow, you're a genius. Everybody admires you know that?
Oh my
So
god.
tell YouTube that no one's like you.
He loves wasabi. Oh my god.
Look at all that wasabi he's eating.
Jordan, say a message for your grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. So,
Dad.
YouTube doesn't know how you eat all that wasabi. How do you eat all that wasabi?
It just tastes good to
After a
me.
while, you become tasteless.
You become tasteless?
Yeah.
You
You like
your,
it?
You lose your taste bud, right? No?
You just got used to it? Oh my gosh, crazy. Oh. What are you going to say to YouTube, guys, about your accomplishment?
Well, Mama.
Just try them. Everybody should try.
Bye.
Bye-bye.